Hello, my name is Nikhil Chandal, and this is the project that I worked on. It is a pizza ordering chatbot that I built using Azure Cognitive Services. Here it is the order dialog, and let me show you the demo of it. So here, first of all, this chatbot is showing us the menu. Let me order something. I like a supreme pizza, I guess. Okay, now I'll go with small size. As you can see here, our bot is able to detect this natural language and is able to acquire the entities from the utterances, and depending on that the bot is responding to our answers. Maybe. Okay, well, also you can just click on these buttons if you want to. Here I like to have some fries. Well, here if I'll enter something that is not available, for example, I can see here there is no option for whiskey, so let me write it and see what happens. See, here the bot has prompted that it is not available and we should try some other things, so I'll go with beer. You got it. Sure. Okay, now I'll choose some brownies. Yeah. So here is a summary of our pizza order. Also, I can do one more thing. I can just write my whole order in a single line. For example, I want to order a large thin crust pepperoni pizza. So now, rather than asking me other details regarding the pizza, that is crust type or the size, it directly navigated me towards the side orders. So here I'll write, I like to have Caesar salad. Sure, I'll choose beer again. Nah. Okay, so here again it is a summary of our whole order. Thank you.